video, I want to show you how you can pan your photo from left to right and turn it into a video. So without much ado, let's get right into. So first thing we need to do is to import the photo we want to use. So we go to File, Import, folder opens up, we pick a photo, let's pick this one, then we go to Open. So that imports our picture. So here, our photo is imported. So hold it down and drag it to our timeline. So now expand this photo. Drag this to here, and the photo shows up. So now we want this photo. We want to expand it for the height to fit the frame. So click on it. It shows up here. Go to Effect Control. Expand this. Click here. Motion. This expand. So go to Scale. And here, expand this. Hold this number down and drag it gradual to your right and expand. So this picture fits the height of the frame. So now we want to identify where we want the motion to start from. We want it to start from either this end or that end. So we go to Position and then we go to this number here and we hold it down and drag it towards our left. So here is where we want our motion for the video to start from. So you go here and drag this to this end and you go to Position and click here. So this comes up, this identifies that our video motion will start from here. The next thing is we want to identify where it will stop. So we need to drag this to the end here. So we go here to where the picture, this number is again, and we drag this to the end. And you see this one comes up. So now we have the video. So let's test it. So we go, can you see? This is how our video is going to move. Left to right. So we have that set. So we tested it. Now we need to go to our timeline. Make sure this photo is starting from the beginning. So drag it to the beginning here. Good. So drag this here too. And then make sure this one is aligned with here. That's where our video will end. This. So now we can save. So we go to Save, File, and then we save. So now that we have saved our setting, we now need to export the video so that we can make use of the video. So we go to File, we go to Export, we click on Media. So this will render our video. So here you have this set up. Just take this as it is. All you need to do, go here, give it a name, click there. Let's say Mary, Mary. So we're going to save our video as Mary. So you go to Save. Now we need to render the video. So we click on Export. So this comes up. So we wait for this to end. So this has to come to this end. So right now our video is rendering. So we have to wait till it gets to this end. Once it gets to this end, our video is done. Then you now have to go to your folder and check for Mary. Open up that video. That video has been saved in MP4. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.